welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time, you're welcome. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup challenge that is trending on Instagram right now, the 5 minutes makeup challenge. So I'm going to have all my makeup done within 5 minutes. Like, it's really scary because on your norms we actually get our makeup done under 5 minutes if you are rushing to church and stuff like that. But for the fact that maybe my mind is there now and I'm conscious of it, I think it's kind of challenging. So what I'm going to do is, I have jotted down already everything I want to use. So I'm just going to start the timer and place my phone down, then I start the makeup. So let us begin. Okay, so this is it. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, that's it. 5 minutes. So I'm going to press start, and woo! So first thing is primer. Oh, then I'm beginning with my foundation. Woo! And this is my foundation brush. So okay. Okay, now next thing. Okay, I'm going to highlight my face using foundation. So okay, I've used 3 minutes already. Wow. So now I'm going to be setting. Okay. Now I'm going to contour. Now I'm going to be using powder, brow powder. Oh, I've got like, I think 1 minute 30 seconds left, so I'm going to do my brows. Oh god, the brows look really horrible, like very horrible. Okay, I have 1 minute left, so let me see. We got 27 seconds. Oh Jesus, this is so painful. Okay, 30 seconds more. Okay, time up. Okay, so under 5 minutes. Oh god, this is really painful. So this is what I was able to achieve. Not bad, not bad. Hey, it's not bad at all. Yeah, I look pretty. At least I can still go to a church like this. Oh yeah, I know. Yeah, so stop. So this is how my makeup looks under 5 minutes. I'm not going to adjust anything. The agreement was 5 minutes. So guys, this is how my face look now. So it was really tough. This brows no be here. But this is the look I was able to achieve. So I think I can still go to the church this way, or I can go to school this way. Yeah, school too. I can't go out this way now. I can't go for a date this way. Nah, it's not a good idea. So please, if you have a date, do not rush your makeup. Just wake up early, or do anything you have to do very early and slay your face. Please don't do your makeup under 5 minutes if you have a date. No, don't even try it. So this is how it is. So thank you guys for watching. I hope I see you in my next video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, everything, and I'll see you. Oh yes, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is at OGD_beauties. Yes, OGD_beauties. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.